Ever wonder why you can keep a cactus alive for 5 years, but the second you bring a fiddle leaf fig home, it decides to move on to the afterlife? It might not be your fault. It might actually be written in the stars. Welcome back, guys. Today, we're diving into the secret language of the Zodiac plant story. We're matching your sun sign's unique energy with the botanical soulmate that actually fits your vibe, your schedule, and your celestial DNA. Let's see which plant is literally meant for you. Aries, the Fireglow Croton. You're bold, competitive, and you lead with your heart. You need a plant that matches your look at me energy. The Croton is as fiery as you are. It's tough, it loves the sun, and it makes a statement the second you walk into the room. Taurus, the heartleaf philodendron. You're all about luxury, stability, and comfort. You want a plant that's dependable but beautiful. The philodendron is your green soulmate. It's lush, it's classic, and it's incredibly resilient, just like you. Gemini, the air plant. You're constantly moving, thinking, and chatting. You don't want to be tied down by messy soil. Air plants are as adaptable as you are. They don't need dirt, just a little mist and a lot of breeze. Cancer, the peace lily. You're the nurturer of the zodiac. You're intuitive and deeply emotional. The peace lily is your match because it literally tells you how it's feeling. If it's thirsty, it droops. If it's happy, it blooms. Leo, the Monstera deliciosa. Let's be real. You want the spotlight. The Monstera is the it girl of the plant world. Its massive leaves scream luxury. It's dramatic, it grows fast, and it demands to be the center of attention. Virgo, the rubber tree. You appreciate structure and cleanliness. You don't want a plant that sheds leaves everywhere. The rubber tree is architectural, sleek, and refined. It thrives on a consistent schedule, which your organized soul finds deeply satisfying. Libra, the bird of paradise. You're ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty. You need balance and symmetry. The bird of paradise is the ultimate symbol of elegance. It's tall, graceful, and brings a sense of high-end style to your home. Scorpio, the snake plant. You're intense, private, and nearly indestructible. The snake plant is your botanical twin. It thrives in the shadows. It's incredibly hardy, and it has a sharp, edgy look. It survives, even when things get dark. Sagittarius, the coffee plant. You're the explorer. You have a zest for life and a constant need for a new adventure. A coffee plant is exotic, spirited, and reminds you of the wide world waiting outside your door. Capricorn, the bonsai tree. You have the patience of a saint and the discipline of a CEO. A bonsai requires precision, long-term vision, and mastery, all things you excel at. It's a status symbol, and you've earned it. Aquarius, the string of pearls. You're unique and a bit eccentric. You don't want a basic fern. The string of pearls is weird, wonderful, and grows in a way that defies gravity. It's the alien of the plant world. Pisces, the string of dolphins. You live half in this world and half in a dream. You need something whimsical. These leaves look like tiny jumping fish, connecting you to your element. It's ethereal, romantic, and perfectly magical. So, did your sign match your collection? Or are you heading to the nursery right now to find your cosmic twin? Let me know in the comments which sign you are. If you loved the Zodiac plant story, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel more than you know.